Your money lost 45 of its buying power. What should I do now? I have an idea. I should start investing. But isn't investing risky? Investing has risks, but doing nothing has risks too. For many people, diversified investing can be useful over the long term. A simple way to start is with a diversified global index fund. For many people, but future returns are not guaranteed. I can explore individual stocks too. But future returns are not guaranteed. Start today. Not because it's too late, but because time matters. Take small, consistent steps to build your financial future instead of letting inflation reduce your purchasing power. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more simple finance content.